What if I told you that you're just one decision away from unlocking a system that works 24/7, making money even while you're asleep? Sounds too good to be true, right? But by the end of this video, you'll discover how AI automation is silently building wealth for people across the globe, and how you can tap into this unstoppable wave starting today. But here's the catch. 97% of people will ignore this information, and they'll keep struggling with side hustles that barely pay the bills. Are you ready to be part of the 3% who crack the code to daily automated income? Stay with me till the end, because I'm not just going to show you how to make 20,000 rupees daily with AI. I'm going to show you how to set it up once and let it run like a money printing machine. AI isn't just the future, it's the present. And those who understand how to leverage it will own the next decade. But here's something they don't tell you. AI doesn't just create art or write content. It can run entire online businesses for you, while you're out living your best life. Imagine having 10 virtual employees working for you, without ever asking for a salary or a coffee break. Sounds like a dream? It's already happening. Not all AI businesses are created equal. The 3 best AI automation businesses right now are affiliate marketing with AI content, automated YouTube, faceless channels, AI dropshipping stores. Which one would you pick if I told you that one of them requires zero investment to start? Hold on. We'll reveal that at the end. Here's the exact system top AI entrepreneurs are using. Use ChatGPT to generate viral content ideas. Automate social media posting with platforms like Zapier. Use AI tools like Canva and Pictory to create faceless videos. Drive traffic with AI-generated SEO articles. Monetize through affiliate products or YouTube ads. The best part? Once you set this system, it runs automatically. Right now, AI automation is like investing in Bitcoin in 2010. Only a few people know about it. But here's the scary part. AI is evolving at lightning speed. What works today might become saturated in just 6 months. If you wait, you'll miss the wave. If you act, you could be one of the early winners banking thousands daily, while others are still trying to figure out what ChatGPT even does. Don't just take my word for it. There are people making $200, $500, even $1,000 per day, all without showing their face or writing a single word. The difference between them and you? They took action, while others kept watching videos like this without ever starting. Now you have 2 choices. Option 1, you close this video, go back to scrolling, and tomorrow will be just like today. Option 2, you take this information and become part of the 3% who actually turn knowledge into wealth. The system is simple, but the decision is yours. I've already shown you the map. But will you start the journey? If you're ready to set up your AI money machine, click the first link in the description where I've shared the exact tools and websites to get started for free. But here's the secret. The faster you start, the fewer competitors you'll have. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. Like this video if you're ready to build wealth on autopilot. And subscribe to Wealth Waves because we're just getting started. Let's ride the wave.